Hi guys, and welcome back to another Peep and Me video. Today we're opening 3 Brilliant Stars packs. So, let's open the first one. White code card. Probably nothing good. So, that's it. Oh, V-Star card. Alright, so we got Grimmsnarl, so nothing good on the first pack, so let's open the second one. Another white code card. Disappointing so far. Another white code card, so probably nothing good, so I'm not gonna do the trick. Oh, we actually got something good. We got a Zardu V, so probably not worth it, but thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!